Hi there, my name is Shoshana Simons. I am an expressive arts therapist. I am core faculty in the MA Expressive Arts Therapy program at California Institute of Integral Studies in San Francisco. And I'm also on the faculty of the Northwest Creative Expressive Arts Institute. Hello. I am delighted to tell you a little bit about my forthcoming workshop, Narrative Expressive Arts Therapy. And in this brief 6 hours, we have 2 3-hour sessions. What we'll be doing is introducing you to some of the theories and practices that inform this approach, where we're basically bringing together narrative therapy and expressive arts therapy, multimodal ways of working with the arts, to create a new third thing, which we're calling narrative therapy. So the first part of the session will be devoted to going over the foundations of the approach and giving you an opportunity to practice with some activities on your own and in dyads and small groups. So it's highly interactive. Then you'll be coming back for the second session the following day for another 3-hour session. And the focus of that 3-hour session is a narrative collective arts practice that is called the Laundry of Life. And this practice was developed by myself and my colleague Danielle Drake back at the California Institute of Integral Studies for working with communities facing extraordinary challenges. It was designed for them, and we've been adapting it for working in all kinds of different settings. But basically, it's a playful approach using the metaphor of the laundry to create breathe new life, purify, clarify ourselves, each other, with a playful approach that culminates in the creation of what we call the wisdom washing line. We're all going to be creating these little pieces of clothing that allow us to put our best selves forward, reminding us of our reviving our qualities, bringing our colors back to life at this time when we are facing the common challenges of negotiating, navigating the painful, ongoing, what seems like endless challenges of the pandemic. And those of us who are working in these fields as therapists, as counselors, as coaches, as consultants, as human service workers, we need a place where we can revive our collective life force. So this second part of the workshop will be an opportunity to learn this approach, putting the pieces together and giving you some real tools to take back into your families, your groups, and communities. Hope to see you there. Bye.